Let's talk about how to increase your penile length naturally. So for many guys out there, penis size is a big deal. It's a very common concern, and some may even have anxiety about the size of their penis. Yes, anxiety. You heard me right. What many men don't know is that besides having a perfectly normal penis size, your penis size actually seems to matter more to you than anyone else you know. Now, a 2006 survey of over 52,000 heterosexual men and women actually brought to bear the contrast between male self-perception and female perception of their partner's size. And guess what? 85% of women reported being satisfied with their partner's penis size. And this goes to say, in a majority of cases, women don't mind and don't even complain about their man's penis size. Yet, I know it's not about their satisfaction, but rather your dissatisfaction, and that's why you're watching today's video, and that's why it's so important. Welcome back, Jessica here. If you're dissatisfied with the size of your penis, you're not alone. About 45% of men are, and you're in luck because I'm going to share with you how guys are increasing the size of their penis naturally, so stay tuned. There's several ways to go about it. The first category basically is creating the perception of length and perhaps girth by doing the following. Number one is to lose weight. For men who are overweight or even obese, shedding those extra pounds can make a significant difference, right? From a visual standpoint, the proportions of the body play a crucial role in how we perceive size, right? For instance, if a man has a big belly or a broad belly, it can overshadow the length of his penis, making it look comparatively smaller. Now, as he begins to lose weight and his stomach flattens, the penis can appear larger in relation to the slimmer abdomen, even if its actual size remains unchanged, right? And the extra bonus for this point is, beyond just appearance, reducing the fat pad in the pubic area can also free up more of the penile shaft, making it more accessible during intimate encounters. In other words, even though your physical length of the penis hasn't changed, more of it can be functional during intercourse due to less obstruction from the fat pad. Number two is pubic hair trimming. It's a no-brainer. Pubic hair, like other body hair, has evolved over time. While the exact reasons for its presence are debated among scientists, some theories suggest it provides a cushion against friction, aids in the dispersal of pheromones, or signals sexual maturity. Now, overgrown or thick pubic hair, however, can cover a portion of the penile base, especially when the penis is in a flaccid state. This concealment will make the penis appear shorter than its actual length. So if you trim your pubic hair, guess what? Things will start to look better. Now, enough of the perception solutions. Let's discuss other natural ways to increase your penile length. My next tip is to practice penile stretching exercises. Now, one of them is commonly known as jelqing, and I don't know if you've heard about it, right? But it's a very interesting technique. Jelqing is actually believed to have origins in the Middle East and has been practiced for centuries. It's been passed down through generations, with many cultures claiming that its technique is the best way to enlarge the penis. So today, I'll tell you how it's done. Now, before starting it, it's usually recommended that you warm up the penis to increase blood flow and make the tissues more pliable. Now, this can be done by simply grabbing a warm cloth and applying it to the area, right? Jelqing is typically performed when the penis is semi-erect. If the penis is too flaccid, it may not be effective. And if it's fully erect as well, you may actually risk injury. So to reduce friction and prevent any potential skin irritation, a lubricant is often applied, and you can make a pick. Using the thumb and index finger to form the OK symbol, grip the base of the penis. Gently but firmly slide the fingers towards the tip. Once the first hand reaches the head of the penis or glans, repeat the motion with the second hand. People often start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the time as they become more accustomed to the technique. A typical session can last anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. Now, the belief behind jelqing is that the repetitive milking action increases blood flow to the penis, which in turn expands the penile tissues. Over time, it's thought to result in increased length and girth. Jelqing, especially when done with excessive force or without proper technique, can actually lead to injuries such as bruising, broken blood vessels, or even scar tissue formation. Moreover, there's also the risk of developing a condition called Peyronie's disease. It's a condition where scar tissue causes the penis to bend or curve during an erection, leading to pain and potential erectile dysfunction. Now, if you have a curved penis and you want to know more about Peyronie's disease, I actually have a video where I hosted a urologist who went in depth into this condition and really broke it down. I'll leave a link to that video in this video description so you can check it out if you want. Now to the part that a lot of men swear by this year. Number 4, listen, I couldn't create a video on how to increase penile length naturally without actually showing you guys what some of my male friends are swearing by these days. They've been raving about it and I don't blame them. It's a device that uses water. Yeah, water. You heard me right. So the next method is actually a type of penis pump that uses water to create a vacuum. The idea behind this pump is to use it in the shower or bath for more convenience and added benefits of warm water. Warm up the bath or shower for a few minutes, as this will help relax the penile tissues and make the process more effective. While in the shower or in the bath, fill the pump with warm water. Insert your penis into the pump, making sure the device is positioned correctly at the base, ensuring a secure seal. The comfort pad should be pressed against your body. Use the handball to pump out water. This will create a vacuum and increase the pressure. You should feel the suction, but it should never be painful. If you overpump or feel discomfort, use the release valve to decrease the pressure. Keep the pump on for 5 minutes initially, gradually increasing the time as you become more accustomed to the process. Never exceed the recommended time, as this could cause injury. After the desired time, press the release valve to relieve pressure and remove the pump. You may notice temporary gains in size and girth. Remember, consistent use is actually key for any potential long-term benefits. So if you really want to increase penile length, then you're going to have to use it consistently over time. My male friends are raving about this latest craze, and I just thought I had to share it with you guys too. Now, this device is actually called the Hydro Extreme by Bathmate. If you're curious enough to try it out too, well, I'll leave a link to the device in the video description and I'll pin it in the comment section as well. Just remember to drop me a comment down the line if this actually starts working for you and things start going well. So lastly, there are other methods like pills and supplements, as well as extreme forms like weight hanging, where some men actually hang weights from their flaccid penis to stretch it. The method is risky, and there's a potential of injury if not done correctly. So although I felt the need to mention this option, I personally wouldn't recommend that you try it. Now, I'll end this video right here, hoping that I gave you guys some insights into things that you can try to do or increase your penile length if it really bothers you that much, right? Just keep in mind that intimacy is more than just about physical size, and many partners place higher value on emotional connection, on things like trust and other factors in a sexual relationship. So don't stress yourself too much if you're displeased with the size of your member. Listen, if you like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to let me know that you like it, and I will be back with another one. My name is Jessica. Thank you so much for listening. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.